So today's video is going to be my August favorites, and July August is one of my favorite months because it's monsoon seasons and I love rains, especially when it's raining outside and you sit inside and have a cup of coffee with hot pakoras. I just love it. So let's get started with the favorite. The first thing what I have is Nivea Anti-Perspirant Pearl and Beauty Smooth and Beautiful Underarms. It's a roll-on deodorant. Actually, I never used to use roll-on deodorants. So this one was suggested to me by one of my friends. It says it's 24 hours gentle care. Actually, this doesn't give any fragrance or smell, but when I use it, my underarms doesn't smell anything. I mean, it doesn't smell of sweat or it doesn't smell of any fragrance. So I think that's a really good thing, where you sweat and your underarms doesn't smell anything. So I really like this one. And this month I don't have much stuffs to show you guys because I did not shop much. So yeah, the next thing is a lip liner from Lakme. It's in the shade it's from the 9 to 5 range, and it's in the shade Red Alert, and it's a very nice beautiful red. I'll just show you the swatch. This is how the swatch looks like. I usually use it to line my lips, or maybe I fill it in and I just use it with a lip balm, and that's it. At times I used to fill in my lips and I match it with other lipsticks. So I've been really loving this. It's a very, very gorgeous red color. And the next thing what I've been loving is a hair serum. It's from the brand Giovanni. It's called the Frizz Be Gone. It's organic hair care brand. It says no sodium, no sulfate, no parabens, no mineral oil, no artificial colors, and it says it's super smoothing anti-frizz hair serum. Actually, I just recently discovered this brand and it's amazing. People who has frizzy hair will understand. It's very difficult to manage frizzy hair. So I kind of have frizzy hair because my hair is quite thick and it becomes quite unmanageable at times. So I've been using this for almost 1.5 weeks, and it actually controls my frizz a lot and it makes it quite manageable, and it's awesome. So I highly recommend this. It's called the It's called the Giovanni Frizz Be Gone hair serum. So that's okay. And the next thing what I've been loving is a body butter from the brand Studio West Indulge. It's called the Calming Lavender Nourishing Body Butter. It looks like this. The packaging is really pretty. It's got this nice purple purple art. It's very pretty. So Studio West is a brand here in India which is launched by a clothing store called Westside. So it's launched by them. They have all these body creams and makeup. I have got a few lipsticks and eyeshadows which I'll be showing you guys in my next haul. So I really like this. It smells of lavender, hence the name Calming Lavender. It smells amazing, so it's really good. So that's the body butter which I've been loving. I'm so sorry about the lighting. It's very, very cloudy outside. I guess it's gonna rain, so I'm so sorry about that. So the next thing what I've been loving is one of my all-time favorite. I've been using this for quite some time. It's a Neutrogena Pure Mild Facial Cleanser. It's for all skin types. I've been using this for quite some time, and then in between I switched to some other face wash, and then quite recently I've been using this a lot. So it's very nice. It's very mild on the skin, does not dry out your skin, and it's amazing. So the next thing is again a face wash. It's from the brand, my favorite brand, which is Body Shop. So this is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Foaming Cleanser. It's suitable for blemish skin. Even though I don't have blemish skin, it's quite nice. It's actually a foaming kind of a face wash. So it says it's an instant foam, removes impurities and excess oil for clearer looking skin. So it's a very nice face wash. It foams up. You don't have to take the pain of foaming it up and then using it on the face. It actually foams up. It's very nice. It makes your skin very clear and it's very soft on your skin. So I love this. So the next thing what I've been loving is a lip balm from Maybelline. It's called Maybelline Baby Lips Electropop. It's in the shade Pink Shop. It says it's with shea butter and vitamin E, watermelon flavor. So this is my third tube, I would say. So that says how much I've been loving this lip balm. It's very nice. It gives a very nice, even if you don't want to wear lipstick, or even if you are not in the mood to wear a lipstick and you want a hint of color on your lips, this is a great option. So it just gives, if you're just in a hurry to go out and if you just want to add some color on your lips, this is a great thing. So I'll just show you the swatch. It's quite pigmented as well. I hope you guys can see it. It's a beautiful shade of lip balm. So I've been loving that. It really smells like watermelon. It smells very fruity. It's amazing. So this is what I've been loving. Loving is a kajal from Lotus Herbals. Yeah, I've become quite a big fan of Lotus products these days. So this is the Lotus 10 hour smudge proof, waterproof Eco Stay Kajal. So I'll just show you the swatch of this. Again, this is very pigmented. Just one swipe is enough to get the full opacity. So I guess you guys can see here how dark and beautiful it is. So I really recommend this kajal. So Lotus is really coming up with amazing products like the other one I had already reviewed in my blog as well as my video. So this is again an awesome product by Lotus. So the next product I've been loving is a lipstick from L'Oreal. It's from the Pure Reds range. I guess this is the one which Sonam Kapoor wears. It's the one which I'm wearing right now, and I guess it's very beautiful. I would be wearing this a lot for the winter and fall season. It's a beautiful maroony kind of a dark vampy red, which I absolutely love. It's a gorgeous color. Just look at that, guys. It's amazing, and I really love this color. And the next product is again a lipstick from Lotus, a brand which I've been loving lately. It's called Coral Candy and it's a matte lipstick. Again, it's a very nice coral kind of color. This is the shade. It's beautiful. It's very nice for everyday kind of. So yeah, that's it for the products. I know it's quite less for this month, but that's all for the products that I have been loving lately. So let me know if you guys want to see any review of the products which I showed you. I will be more than happy to do it for you guys. And thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.